Hi, I'm DevRow, and this is Bob.
Hello.
As you see, there happened a lot last week. And I mean really a lot. We basically implemented the whole building features. So there will be different modules, and we show the first one.
What?
When Bob places the right modules in the right spaces, there will be a building spawned.
What?
Come on, Bob.
What?
And this building is the city center.
Hello.
And the city center provides information about what tools you have, what jobs you discovered. If Bob grabs a tool, you see it's highlighted now. And if he grabs some more tools,
Well,
you really need to fix your spine mate. Then the other ones are highlighted. So the next building you will build is probably a hut, or house 01 as it is called currently.
what?
You also assemble here the right modules in the right order.
What?
Place a little bit of decoration,
What?
and there's a house. But this house won't do anything, because a house becomes a home when you add a little bit of love.
What?
Grab it
What?
and put it in. And now we spawn 2 new workers.
Hello.
So the next building we are showcasing for you is the workshop. The workshop will be used to build those modules you see Bob carry around. The workshop is de facto working now. There are just some slight issues I need to iron out. But overall it's working. So Bob, can you gather some wood? Wood, yeah, back there in the forest. I think we can skip a lot of this. Oh, I also would need some wool. As you now see, there is a widget for all of this. You can see that on the right it switches, and there we have now 1 bedroom in production. It will take around 5 seconds, which I will visualize later, and then you have there your bedroom. And this is how you produce modules. The next building we will show you is the converter. Those buildings I showed today are more like building classes. They are the main building types we have in the game. The converter will be used to convert one resource to another. So for instance, now we built the sawmill, and the sawmill will convert logs to planks. Converted resources will later be used to build more advanced modules. So as you see, Bob puts the wood now in the sawmill, and there's a plank, which will also later be visualized. And that's about it what we did this week. I think it was great progress, and next week we gonna finish up a lot, and I will do the menu in the top right, because I'm really annoyed that it isn't working yet. So I hope you enjoyed my video. If so, like the video, share, subscribe, you know what they say. And I catch you all next time. Bye bye.
Hello.
Yeah, Bob, can you do the transitions this time?
What?
Yeah, just some animals, workouts, food. That's what I see in other devlogs.
Hello.